Welcome everyone. Today I will unbox the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, one of the most popular budget smartphone. But this unit is purchased from toogood.com at a much lesser price. Watch the full video to know more. Let's begin with the unboxing. Here is the box came packed from toogood.com. On opening, we have the invoice of 8,699 rupees, and it is a refurbished unit, so the box has been completely resealed and packed by Toogood. Some details are printed over here. The refurbished grade is superb, and the MRP is printed as 10,999 rupees. And some other information are also printed. Now let's open up the seal. Inside we have this small box which houses the ejector pin. And here's the phone itself. It is in very good condition, but we'll check that later. Further inside we have the Toogood warranty card and some Toogood booklets. The micro USB cable over here, and the Max box that will help you to increase the music volume of the phone. The Asus charger, that's all. Let's try to boot the device. It have booted, and let me set it up quickly. Everything seems to be working as expected. Let's check the camera as of now. The camera too seems fine. And let's check its Android version. It's 8.1.0. So everything seems to be working fine with this unit. It is a superb condition grade. The grading starts from good, very good, superb till like new or unboxed devices. The one I got also seems like new in condition. So yeah, you can purchase from Toogood if you are very tight on budget. For more videos like this, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.